I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today, we are discussing about the group cohesiveness and group norms. Group. We have already discussed about the group. Group is basically two or more person work assigned for the certain tasks. We have already discussed about the formal and informal groups. Generally, in the informal and formal, we have to go down general nature. That is, informal is basically unofficial and formal is official. The motive behind it, why I am discussing about the formal and informal, because today we are discussing about group cohesiveness. And group cohesiveness, bonding, basically that is a natural bonding was there. Cohesiveness. So before going to the group cohesiveness, we should know about how the group is to be bound. कभी भी आप लोगों ने कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीते होंगे, चाय पीते होंगे या whatever. So I am just telling about the natural or natural tea, or we can say down property. Property, we need milk and sugar with the tea leaves also. अगर ये सब चीजें उसमें पानी में हमारे एक साथ ना मिले तो क्या होगा? हमें सारे कलर्स अलग दिखेंगे. टी अलग दिखेगी, दूध अलग दिखता, वाटर अलग दिखता, this type of. But there is a combination, cohesiveness, bonding, जिससे ये सब आपस में मिल जाते हैं और हमें एक नया टेस्ट या एक नई चीज मिल जाती है. तो दिस इज द मेन कि बिकॉज दिस इज ड्यू टू द फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर्स टू बी देयर. अगर फॉर्मल स्ट्रक्चर में वो कोहेसिवनेस अच्छी है तो वी कैन गेट वेरी गुड रिजल्ट्स. अदरवाइज इनफॉर्मल में लोग भागते हैं, इनफॉर्मल में जाकर के उनको वो चीजें मिलती हैं, तो देयर इज अ इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप इज टू बी देयर बिकॉज देयर इज अ पर्सनल स्ट्रक्चर, पर्सनल बेस वाज देयर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टू सेट. सो ग्रुप कोहेसिवनेस is to group cohesiveness ki jab we are discussing of the group cohesiveness, this is a degree to which group members are attracted. Degree to which group members are attracted to each other and are motivated to stay in the group. Because how we have to reach down. हम क्यों जुड़े ग्रुप के साथ, क्यों रहे ग्रुप के साथ? Because these necessary things to be there. We are working in an institution, we are working in a group like marketing, HR, finance, and we should be there in that way. But what I am getting with the group, if I am getting a certain cohesiveness, certain values, certain traditions, certain accepting traditions, so we will be there. We have increased the cohesiveness. And we will remain in the group. We have just think we should be remaining in a product. So how we have to increase the group cohesiveness? Degree at which कहते हैं दो लोगों में एक रिलेशन अच्छा होना चाहिए, ठीक है, बट कितना अच्छा? एक दूसरे का बिल्कुल केयरिंग रखना चाहिए, एक दूसरे को समझ लेना चाहिए, एक दूसरे को जानना चाहिए. तो डिग्री इन विच एक फिलोसफर थे, उन्होंने एक के सामने एक बार ग्लास दिया, एक ग्लास ऑफ वाटर पूरा भरा हुआ था. उन्होंने पूछा ये बताइए ये गिलास कितना खाली है? लोगों ने देखा गिलास पूरा भरा हुआ था. उनका सर एक गिलास तो पूरा भरा हुआ है, कितना भरा हुआ है? परसेंटेज बताइए, क्या इसमें और वाटर पानी जा सकता है? लोगों ने कहा सर नहीं जाएगा. उन्होंने कहा ठीक है. उन्होंने गिलास सामने रखा हुआ था, ये जस्ट पुट डाउन ए ड्रॉपर, एक उन्होंने पानी भरा, उसके अंदर एक ड्रॉप डाला, वो उसमें चला गया, गिलास से पानी बाहर नहीं आया. Again they have to put down one drop of water more, again the same condition. Third में भी वही आई, बट जैसे उन्होंने फोर्थ ड्रॉप डाला पानी बाहर गिरा. मीन्स कोहेसिवनेस, बॉन्डिंग, नेचुरल थिंग्स, डिग्री इज ओनली अप टू 3 स्टेज. 3 पॉइंट्स तक उनके पास वो डिग्री थी, उसके साथ वो बॉन्ड कर गया, रुका रहा पानी वहां पे. लेकिन जैसे उन्होंने एक्स्ट्रा एडिशन किया वो बाहर चला गया. So increasing group cohesiveness, what we have to do in the institution, what we have to do? So increasing group cohesiveness, increasing कैसे बढ़ाएं हम कि लोग आपस में जुड़े रहें, लोग आपस में मोटिवेटेड रहें, लोग अपना काम करते रहें, लोग आगे बढ़ते रहें, ग्रुप का डेवलपमेंट होता रहे, इंस्टीट्यूशन का डेवलपमेंट चलता रहे, लोग डे बाय डे इंस्टीट्यूशन का ग्रुप का डेवलपमेंट, इंस्टीट्यूशन का डेवलपमेंट, वर्क का डेवलपमेंट, हमारा काम का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलपमेंट ऑलरेडी होता रहेगा इन द टर्म्स ऑफ द लीडरशिप बिहेवियर्स. सो हाउ वी हैव टू इंक्रीज? नंबर फर्स्ट, मेक द ग्रुप स्मॉल. मेक द ग्रुप स्मॉल. This is the general tendency. This is 100% proof is to be there. More person, more confusion. We are a teacher of philosophy there, but whenever we are discussing these things to be more knowledge, more confusion, more person, more confusion. हर आदमी की थिंकिंग एबिलिटीज दूसरी होती है, हर आदमी अपनी नॉलेज के हिसाब से बताता है, हर आदमी एक्सपेक्टेशन से बताता है, तो जैसे जैसे बताता जाता है चीजें हमारे साथ चेंज होती चली जाती हैं. सो फॉर द गुड कोहेसिवनेस वी शुड मेक द ग्रुप स्मॉल. अब हाउ स्मॉल इज टू बी द ग्रुप साइज? इफ यू हैव टू एक्सपेंड द हाइट, भाई हम कहां तक जा सकते हैं? तो हम ये देखते हैं, हम यहां तो मेरा हाथ जा रहा है, मैं इसके आगे यहां इसी पोजीशन पे खड़े खड़े इसके आगे नहीं जा पाऊंगा. दिस इज माय ग्रुप साइज. Same thing. Any manager, whatever, group size is totally depend on the manager's ability and the departmental flexibility is to be there. The manager may be handle 50% easily. He may be abilities to be there. But if a new manager was there, he may handle only 1 or 2 or 3%, maybe possible 20%, maybe possible 10%. So in that, their knowledge, skill, attitude, desire, behavior is to be played a vital role. How much he has to handle the thing. That is known as a group size. Group size. How much group size should be there? It is totally depend on the organizational need and the dignity to be there. And also the manager's abilities to be there. So for the increasing of group cohesiveness, we should get the group small. Then encourage agreement with group goals. Encourage agreement. Encourage karna. We have to encourage agreement, group goals. Because in every department, if you want the salary, so you have to perform. I'm not telling anything how much you have to perform, but you have to perform. For this, you have to give a encouragement. Agreement should be there. Then increase time members. Third is increase time members spent together. At least 2, 3. Increase time spent. Increased time spent together. Then only your group becoming more and more cohesive. Next, increase group status and admission difficulty. Group status. If your group status, how this Facebook is doing? Facebook जो है वो अपने जो मोटिव था जो भी कि everyone should be member of the Facebook and then they have to increase the thing. Now the Facebook and WhatsApp, they are increasing day by day because this is the prime things if you have to look after. Why this thing is to be considered? Because it increases group status and the admission difficulty. Everyone can be entered, everyone can be exit. This is the main. Then increases viability, acceptance. सब लोग उसको जानते हैं, सब लोग समझते हैं, सब लोग इंक्रीज करते हैं. Then stimulate composition with other groups. दूसरों को देख देख के हम और एक्टिवेट होते जाते हैं. We have to stimulate the things and then our group is showing definitely a very good model role was there. Then give rewards to the group, not individual. Whenever this thing, usually you have to see down. This department win this trophy. Even in school, colleges, you have to see college win these things. Individual was there, but when we have to give the final trophy, we have to give the first runner, we have to give the schools, because it will show that in this group, these are the members who won this type of efforts to be there. So their individual effort should be motivated, it should be accepted, but the reward should be given on a joint basis. Then only group cohesiveness should be increased day by day, their bonding energy will be increased day by day, and physically isolate the group. We have always emphasized that physically everyone should be increased in that way, by which they have to go physically. Because day by day, as and when there is a group cohesiveness required, the high and sure level. Now, if you have to put down a small chart was there, how the group cohesiveness interact in performance norms. If you have to put on the performance norms here, performance norms and the cohesiveness. Cohesiveness. So this is like as we have to just pattern like this is low, this is high, this is high, and this is if you have to look up these things, productivity, this is like coincidence in productivity. तो अगर हमारे यहाँ लो प्रोडक्टिविटी है, दिस इज द लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, एंड दिस इज हाई प्रोडक्टिविटी, दिस इज लो नॉर्म्स, हमारी बाइंडिंग एनर्जी अगर कम है तो दिस इज द लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, एंड दिस इज moderate to low productivity. So main बात कि how the productivity is to be there, if our group cohesiveness is not up to the mark, our productivity will always drop down. So in this, when we have to put down कि how the group is to be there, so accordingly we have to carry on, because whenever group norms was there, group status, group settlement, we have to put down the norm system, because without group status, group norms, we cannot be carry on accordingly, and then accordingly we have to structure the things, because as and when the system was there, then we have to follow the norms is to be there, because group cohesiveness is essential part of that is to be, and then only we can say down if the group norms, group cohesiveness, group structure, group values, then accordingly we have to put down. But whatever the things, other things is to be there, which is group cohesiveness and group norms, affected or unaffected is to be there. The main thing is organizational strategy. This plays a vital role in that. If we have to influence day by day, we have to influence the group, we have to influence the person, we have to influence our mission objectives, definitely we have to put down a good bonding energy and good structure and group norms. Structure also. Then authority structure. Where we have to report. We mean whatever the subordinate is to be there. So leadership in that way, the authority should be very, very clear. Everyone knows where he has to report, where he has to come down the result. Because then formal regulations for the entry, there should be a formal regulation. It's not a typical, so typical was there. Because if the norms was to be so typical, no one can be adjusted accordingly. Then system should be as per the vision, and our group should be motivated according to the mission. Day by day, then we again the vision is to be there. Because as and when the process will be started, definitely we will go accordingly. Then organizational resources, whatever the organizational resources is to be there, organizational resources, everyone should get whatever the requirement, whether you are a small department, whether you are a big department, whether you are structural, but need and use it. Then performance education and reward system should be clearly applied. Performance system and reward system should be efficiently applied for the group cohesiveness, because if I am weak in certain parameters, certain knowledge, so the organization should try to give down that type of education, that type of knowledge, that type of training, that type of development, by which our group can be enhanced day by day, or later on we can prove that now we are not a burden on the institutions to be there. Then organizational culture, because culture is always immutable, always changing traditions also. Organizational culture. Culture ऐसा नहीं है कि हम आज बना रहे हैं तो वो कल नहीं रहेगा. No. Whatever the culture we will develop from the today's scenario, after seeing our past hindrances, our past performances, so day by day we have to develop that. Then physical work setting, we have to plan it accordingly. Then only we can say down if this is the physical work standards to be there. Because everyone want to do the work. Whatever the person enter in the institution, they want to do the work, and they have to encourage the workers to be there. Because whatever the group member is to be there, they have the ability. That's why they are in the institutions. And the second thing is personality. तभी आपने उनको select किया है. If you have selected the person is to be there, so definitely this is the main point. In the multinational companies, certain multinational companies, I have the certain case studies I can just show down later on to be there. You just go down अगर उन्होंने किसी एम्प्लॉय को अपॉइंट किया और 1 साल के बाद उसको सेपरेशन करने की सोचते हैं, तो उसके पहले जो उसके टॉप लेवल के मैनेजमेंट ने उनको अपॉइंट किया था, उन्हें उसका रीजन देना पड़ता है, शो बहुत। और वैसे उन्हें शो कॉज नोटिस ही मिलता है कि या तो वो एम्प्लॉय बहुत अच्छा था जब आपने उसको अपॉइंट किया और आपने उसकी एफिशिएंसी को प्रॉपर्ली यूटिलाइज नहीं किया, जिसके कारण वो एम्प्लॉय काम नहीं कर पा रहा है ठीक से। इसका मतलब है आपने उसका कैरियर तबाह किया। तो व्हाई यू आर देयर इन द इंस्टीट्यूशन? बिकॉज you have to give a clear explanation in that way. So in a certain multinational companies, certain professional managed group was there, जहां एम्प्लॉय की एंट्री तो आसान होती है, मेरी एग्जिट बहुत डिफिकल्ट होती है। हम लोग सोचते हैं ऐसा। इधर गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन में आप लोग कहते हैं गवर्नमेंट की जॉब सिक्योरिटी है, बिल्कुल ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां पर हटाने से पहले इतने नॉर्म्स खड़े कर दिए जाते हैं कि एम्प्लॉय को आपने अपॉइंट क्यों किया, या तो कहीं से आप गलती करके लाए हैं। तो दिस इज द मेन थिंग इज टू बी देयर, व्हाट आर द पर्सनालिटी इज टू बी देयर। सो अकॉर्डिंगली देन group cohesiveness, we are discussing about the group cohesiveness and the group structures. In the group structures, we have to put on the complete thing was totally on the leadership, and we have to go on the role in ambiguity, because certain things now in the last things what we have to do about group cohesiveness, we have developed certain norms, because certain norms, accepted statements made by group members should be clearly avoided. Whatever the things was there should be tell only this. Now nothing is to be, because in the institution nothing is personal, everything is professional. आपके informal group पे this can be applied, but for the particular formal group this is never applied accordingly. Then critical events in the group history should be known by everyone, कि हमारे यहाँ ऐसा होता था, हमारे ऐसा हुआ था, हमारे यहाँ ये रिजल्ट्स आए थे, हमको इसको बेटर करना है। तो डे बाय डे for group cohesiveness and the group structure management we have to put over things. Then privacy should be there. This is the main function. Then carry over behavior from past situation. This should be also go on. Then the main thing is to be there in the group task, in the group norms. We have to look after certain activities also, because the image of the group possess on the group's performance, and the member satisfaction is moderatory by the clerks of the group of them. Like अगर आप लोग जनरल देखेंगे, कहा जाता है प्राइमरी टीचर्स गवर्नमेंट में ये लोगों को इतनी सैलरी मिलती है और काम नहीं करते। दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग। वॉट एवर दे आर गेटिंग, everyone is justified their job is to be there. Particular, if I am working with the BBD, I am justifying my job is to be there, then I have to do this. So each and everything is to be very, very prime to use. So regarding when we are discussing group norms, group behavior, group architectural, so each and everything is to be beneficial. That is everything. So whenever we are discussing, whenever we are lodging, we are thinking, so everything in the group system, we are not alone. This is the prime thing you should always remember, because group cannot be formed alone. We need at least 2 people to form the group, so we respect our dignity, our admiration, our abilities to be there. So now this is the concluding session was there, so in which we are discussing about the groups, group cohesion, group norms and the group values. Group is the need of the institution, and day by day this is to be developed by our efforts, like our means, our employees' effort is to be there. So group cannot be formed in just one day, we can abolish, but in certain group system is to be there, we have to follow accordingly. Right? For the group cohesion, we have to bond each and everything, we have to follow certain rules, certain regulations we have already discussed.